Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel Soul Space. Isn't it just lovely to find each other on YouTube, and as we learn and exchange more, this space becomes such a vibrational one. Thank you so much everyone for joining in. I am Ankita, and on this space I love to bring you my perspectives, some soulful ideas and concepts on divine subjects like spirituality, cosmic laws, manifestation, law of attraction, all from an application point of view. Remember, please be steady but consistent, and importantly, gentle in exploring this amazing organism that's you. So earlier I discussed with you about the energy body and our spiritual energy. In this video, let's connect and feel our own energy body. Firstly, isn't it just wonderful to know that you have an etheric DNA which is unique to you and is best friends with your mental and emotional plane? Imagine if you begin to start working purely on your thoughts and highly care about how you feel. What would happen to you? You won't just become a magnet to your desires, but also a self-radiating person with immense confidence about your life. And so, let's experience how this energy, which is so unique to you, feels like. One of the ways is to sensitize your hands. Both of your hands have a mini chakra at the center, and your fingers have minor chakras on the tip of the baby skin. Chakras are the gateways that allow the energy to move in and out of the body. So to feel it, have both of your hands projected in front of you like this. Squeeze in and out your fingers. Then press the tip of each finger, and finally the chakra at the center. Now hold your hands in front of your chest like this and start taking slow, deep breaths with your eyes closed. Simply relax yourself. You would have an energy sensation in between your hands, which means your hands are now activated to help you sense. If you don't feel it now, consider doing some hand and fist exercises or some aerobics and then do this. Once you have a sensation in between your hands, fix one hand in that position and move the other hand either to your right away from the left or move it closer. And just see how far you can sense it, and as you bring it closer, sense the texture of this energy. You should feel some tingly sensations, or warm or cold or even heavy. It might feel light. That is because this energy is charged. It's ionized particles, remember? Another way to see this energy is to hold your hand in the dark or against any black surface. Look at it long enough and then slightly move your hand. You'll see an outline of light, which could be any color. For beginners, it is usually either white or yellow. You could also see an outline of me since you are looking at me. This energy outline is the inner aura and the auric field of the object. When you practice more, you'll see this for every matter. Humans, trees, birds, your wallet, or even a stone, any object. Don't concentrate hard enough because that's just going to hurt your eyes, and what is already a part of nature will come to you naturally, and so should not need that much of an effort, right? So other ways is where I love to simply close my eyes and observe a point which I feel needs more energy. Because you know by now, energy amplifies the point of focus. So if I fix the point on the top of my head, I focus on it. Not roll up my eyes like my physical eyes, but with my mind's eye. If you do that, you'll sense the movement of energy to that part that you focused. And once you do that, move that in the circle form. Focus next on the point, say below your right eye. You'd sense it moves from point A to point B. This is my favorite exercise because it builds on my quality of an observer. And because as an observer, your thoughts take a back seat and your attention runs the show. And guess what? You become present. Your supply of energy to that point Chant silently Om with slower inhales and exhales, maintaining your focus on that point. This practice always feels like an energy booster to me. It is like my petrol station where I just get a refill. The idea is to circulate your energy in the body with your awareness. And the beauty of it is, in turn, it will increase your awareness. Isn't this amazing? Try it. You'd never ask anyone, how do I stay present? Now, there is one more favorite energy sensing and absorbing practice that I simply adore. But that is for the next video, guys. Stay joyful, stay blissful, and as I say, allow in that which truly matters. I love you guys. Bye-bye.